Hello guys, Christmas is coming and I'm making tamales. I'll tell you the ingredients now. Garlic, onion, mamacita achuete, rice flour, 2 bags, coconut, 2 cans, salt and pepper, sugar, oil, and the chicken broth. And now these are the toppings. Shredded chicken, already boiled. Pork belly without the skin, already boiled and sliced. Hard-boiled eggs. And salty eggs. And we also have banana. The banana leaves that I already set it, already washed, clean, wiped, and put on top of the fire. And we're gonna use that thread for wrapping it up and tying up. This is also minced chicken. Let's start cooking now. We're gonna put oil, a little bit, about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna put the garlic. The onion. Pepper. Salt. Okay, now that the onion and garlic is almost brown, we're gonna put this minced chicken. Okay, after the minced chicken, we're gonna add 2 cans of coconut milk. This 1 cup of chicken broth, okay? 2 cups. Now we're gonna turn off the heat for now. Turn off the fire. And we're gonna put the rice flour. One at a time. One at a time. Okay guys, we're back. So what I did is saute the garlic, the onion, with salt and pepper, and then I add the mixed chicken, the little chicken that I chop, minced chicken. Then I put 2 cans of coconut milk and 6 cups of chicken broth, and then I add the rice flour. So now I'm cooking it to a low fire. I want to add some little bit sugar. like this. 2 teaspoons. Then later we decide if we need more salt and pepper. Okay, so we're just gonna keep on stirring this until it cooks. It may take a while, so we'll be back. Okay. Guys, I actually use 11 cups of the chicken broth, and this is now done. I already turned off the fire, so I'm going to separate some of this because the other part is gonna have annatto seed to give it a color. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, now this is the annatto seed with warm water. And I'm gonna mix it with this rice flour. This will be the one on top that will give a color. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this. Okay, now the one with the red color is already done. So we're gonna transfer it in this bowl and let it cool off. Then we're gonna assemble our tamales. This white one, I want them big. Okay, we put the white and then the red one. We're gonna put some toppings, pork, chicken. We're gonna do some eggs. We're gonna do this salty eggs. This is a special, very special tamales. Okay, see the topping. Hold on. This is the topping right here. Okay, and now we're going to put the cover, the banana leaves. Okay, like this, like that. Okay, kind of big. Then we're going to fold it like this. Wow, this is a giant one. And then we're going to put this to tie it up. Okay, it looks like this. This is a big one. My goodness. See how big? Thick. Okay, so this is how you tie it up. And we'll do more. Guys, look how many we made. I made so many. Ran out of banana leaves, so I wrapped them up with a foil. So it's time to put them in the steamer. Because they're so big, so I don't know how long it's gonna take them. So probably get them here for an hour. Okay, let me stop now and we'll come back later. Guys, the tamales is ready. Now it's still smoking. I'm gonna try it, taste it. See how it tastes, but it's still smoking. Whew. Mmm. 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 It's really good, guys. I love it. Tamales Kapampangan.